Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can hold a call on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. If you have answered the call and now you want to hold it, you have two options. One option is that there over here, when you have different buttons, there could be the button to hold the call, and it would be named hold call, simple as that. And then you can simply press on it in order to hold the call, and then press it one more time in order to get back to your call. However, if that is not the case, like in my case over here, then you can try to tap these three dots over here in the top right corner, and over here you should be able to find the hold call button as well. Now in this case, if I press it, then I can't place call on hold. However, in your case it might work. I'm not sure if this is because this is the private number, but most of the time if you make the call, then you can hold it. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.